just wanted to cover whenever you submit a class exercise, make sure that we do a screenshot of your work. Now, depending on whether you're on Windows machines or Macs, I think there's a print screen button on a Windows machine. And on Mac, again, if you want to record the entire screen or print the entire screen, it's Command-Shift-3. If you want to do a smaller portion, it's Command-Shift-4. So if I'm ready to submit to the blog, I can turn on the layers that I want. And I always want to make sure that I have my layers panel active and in the shot. I'm going to do Command-Shift-4, which gives me a windowed version, and then I can just draw a marquee around what I want. And then that's made myself a screenshot that I can now upload to the blog. So I'm good to go.